Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we will be looking at how to check your Safari version on an iPhone. So let's get started. We have an iPhone 11, go to settings. There, search for the app Safari, or else you can scroll as well and click on the app. Now this gives you plethora of options, but the thing is you won't find the version of Safari in here similar to Android, because in iPhone, whatever OS your iPhone is on, browser is updated to that version. So let's see how to check the iOS version. On the settings home page, scroll down or click on general, and there you can see we have about tab. Just click on it and here you can find the OS version. So click on it again and you can see that we have updated our iOS to the latest version, which is 18. So again, to reaffirm, whatever version your iOS is on, your Safari has the same version with all the security and all other updates. So that's it. Thank you for watching.